Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we got something kind of cool to the channel. It's our very first buck folding knife review. And this one's kind of interesting. So stay tuned right after the intro, and we're going to get right into this guy. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now as you saw, we're going to take a look at the Buck Ascend LT, and forgive me for this, 0715BLSWM-B. Have no idea what those numbers and everything else means, but I bet the WM means Wal-Mart. Why? Because this is exclusive only to Wal-Mart. You can only find it in the stores there. You will not be able to find this on Buck's website. Now, what I love is it's done in Wal-Mart colors. The blue and the silver. I thought that was friggin' sweet. But there's the blade. Give you that quick look. Now, as with every single Buck blade out there, you get their famous forever warranty. So there's a little paperwork on it. There's the backside. And I really love how they go, you know, as Chuck Buck would say, welcome to the family. By buying a blade, you're part of the Buck family. I thought that was freaking cool. And if you don't know, Buck knives are based out of Idaho, so these are made in the USA blades. Alright, so let's get into this guy. It's got an overall length of 7 3/4 inches. Closed, it's 4 1/2, and the blade is 3 1/4 inches. It's got a little bit of a hefty weight to it at about 4 ounces, but honestly, you really don't feel it. It feels lighter than that, but it's got a heft to it, which I really, really like. Now, I love the blade, as they call it. It's a quote-unquote modern upswept Skinner, but later on they call it a modified drop point, which I can see kind of through here. Excuse me, modified clip point. I can kind of see, but it's a beautiful freaking blade. I mean, seriously. Now the steel on it is 420 high carbon stainless steel, which, okay, that's kind of cool. I get it. It's nice. It is really seriously razor sharp. Now, there we go from there. Right out of the box. No problem. It does have a lockback system, which I kind of like because, honestly, from everything I've read, lockbacks are a heck of a lot more safer than like frame locks or liner locks. Now, it has a one-position pocket clip, which is tip up. As you see, the centering is not too bad right out of the box. And there is just a itty bitty tiny bit of blade play in there. Very tiny. Now, the handle, and this is what caught me. They say it is a anodized aluminum handle, but it really doesn't feel metal. I mean, I found it on some areas that say it's a ceramic coat, but if it's an aluminum, you know, scales and whatnot, they did a good job of coating it with something. Because it feels, seriously, really good in the hand. And can you hear that? It doesn't have that metal, you know, feel to it. But anywho, from looking around a bit online, this blade debuted at SHOT Show 2016, and it was part of Buck's commitment to help out Wal-Mart, who is doing a lot of business with made in the USA companies. I kind of stumbled upon this by accident and said, looks kind of cool. Let me see it. Fell in love with it. Now, as we usually do, we go out and we take a look at the cost. Now, I found it on Walmart at, I should say, I found it at my local Walmart at $29.88. I found a listing on Amazon. Somebody was selling it for $24.99, and a website, jet.com, for $29.88. It's got a 5 out of 5 star rate, well, 5 out of 5 star rating on Walmart. It's only had 3 reviews. And on Amazon, it has 1 review, and it's 4 out of 5. The reason it got a 4 out of 5, because the dude was like, I just bought this, found it on Walmart, marking you down. I'm like, really? You're marking it down because you found a blade at Walmart? Seriously, dude? I don't know, guys, but that's my quick overview on it. I'd like to know what you think, as usual, down below. Now, if you are a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to watch this video. You should be seeing my company logo popping up over here. Please click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've clicked on that little subscribe, thing, please click on the bell icon. That is going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, as of filming of this, we still have not yet hit our 300 subscriber mark that we're looking for. So one of the 2 videos you're going to find over here is going to be the 300 subscriber giveaway. Now, when this uploads, if we found it, you will see closed around that. So, forgive me. But anywho, guys, there we go. Our quick look at the Buck Ascend LT. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.